Welcome to Time to Buy or Sell by Weichert Realtors Sierra Pacific Group. Today we will be discussing the housing market in Elk Grove. We're doing a real deep dive here because right now Elk Grove has, more than double the number of homes sitting on the market compared to what's actually selling.
Yeah, it's honestly a lot of inventory.
Right. And by traditional logic, prices should be plummeting, but they aren't. So our mission for this deep dive is to look at the latest MLS data. That's the direct database real estate agents use, to figure out exactly what these weird conditions mean for your real estate decisions.
Exactly, yeah. We're pulling the curtain back on the July to August 2026 numbers, and the median closed price is holding stubbornly at $639,000.
Wow, stubborn is definitely the word.
It really is, and it's taking a median of about 28 days for a home to sell right now.
Okay, so I kind of look at this like a broken seesaw.
A broken seesaw.
Yeah, like we're piling all this weight on the supply side. What is like 257 active listings?
Yep, 257 active.
Right, and only 113 closed sales on the other side. That heavy supply side should be crashing to the dirt, bringing prices down with it. Why is this seesaw stuck in the air?
Well, it really all comes down to Elk Grove's massive structural demand. New listings are piling up, yes, but this market has incredibly strong foundational pillars acting as stabilizers, basically.
Okay, what kind of pillars are we talking about?
We're looking at a highly family-oriented demographic pulling in high median household incomes. It's right around $125,000.
Oh, wow. Okay.
Yeah, and that is substantially above the rest of Sacramento County, so the money is definitely there.
Wait, if incomes are so high, like $125,000, why are we seeing 28 days on the market?
Right, it seems counterintuitive.
Yeah. Shouldn't these highly qualified buyers be snapping these homes up instantly like they, did 2 years ago?
They absolutely would be, but they are colliding head-on with a major macro constraint right now.
Mortgage rates.
You guessed it. A 30-year fixed rate is averaging around 6.69% right now. That puts a hard mathematical ceiling on what families can comfortably afford month to month.
Right, because the monthly payment just balloons.
Exactly. They have the income, sure, but they have to be incredibly careful about where they deploy it. And, this caution shows up in the sale-to-list ratio.
Which is sitting at what right now?
It's sitting near 99%.
99%. That is razor thin.
It really is.
You basically have to thread the needle on your asking price on day one or you're dead in the water, right?
Totally. Aspirational pricing is completely dead in this environment. You can't just throw a high number out there to see if, someone bites.
Right. No more testing the waters.
Exactly. If you miss the mark on price, your house just sits and rots on that heavy side of the seesaw you mentioned. Buyers are watching those numbers obsessively.
Okay, so the buyers there, they have the money, but they are incredibly constrained and, picky.
Very picky.
So what exactly is a buyer in Elk Grove demanding right now to justify paying a $639,000 price tag?
Well, they want the complete lifestyle package, and they want it perfectly turnkey.
No fixer-uppers.
No, not at all. Elk Grove offers newer housing stock, top-tier schools, and fantastic suburban community amenities. All of those local factors sustain roughly a 13% price premium over the rest of Sacramento County.
A 13% premium, wow.
Yeah, and buyers are absolutely willing to pay that premium, but they are not willing to do the heavy lifting of renovating a tired property while carrying a near 7% mortgage.
That makes total sense. And buyers aren't just looking at resale homes anymore either. Over 1,100 new single-family units were permitted in the last year alone.
That's a huge factor, yeah.
So with builders adding brand new homes to the mix, are resale sellers being forced to offer concessions? How do they compete?
We're firmly in what I call a sideways market right now.
A sideways market.
Yeah, meaning buyers absolutely have more negotiating leverage and choice. Builders are heavily incentivizing buyers,
Right, with rate buydowns and stuff.
Exactly. Which means resale sellers often have to match that by offering concrete concessions. That could be paying for a mortgage rate buydown for the buyer, covering closing costs, or even offering a credit for, new carpets.
Well, you really have to play ball.
You have to. The days of selling a tired property at a premium without doing the prep work, they're just behind us. That said, a beautifully staged, accurately priced home in a prime neighborhood will still trigger competitive offers.
Right. Quality still sells.
Always.
So we're in this sideways market right now because of those 6.69% rates. But for anyone listening who is waiting to see how this plays out, Just imagine what happens to this Elk Grove market if rates drop even slightly.
Oh, absolutely.
Say they drop to 5.5%.
Yeah.
With this steady population growth and all that built-up demand you mentioned, that seesaw tips right back to total chaos overnight.
The underlying demand hasn't gone anywhere, that's for sure. It just proves that in a market this dynamic, having a precise strategy is more critical now than ever.
Thanks for listening to Time to Buy or Sell. If you have questions about real estate in Elk Grove, we're here to help. Reach out to us at Weichert Realtors Sierra Pacific Group. That's Weichert Realtors online at wrspg.com or call 916-619-1971.